How to create Viber account on Android. Firstly, you need to open up that Viber section as you created your site selection. Then go start now as you go on your first site screen setup. And right here, the first option what you need to select it is to get on your right point of your country. And as you go there, you can also choose which country site number it is used on your site name. For example, for me it is in Macedonia. And as you get right there, here you need to add your phone number. And as you get done with all that stuff, simply you can take over a call or SMS session and ensure it that you can receive bot, and just go take over which is the rated for you. Just go yes. And as you get done with all that stuff, yeah, of course here you will need simply to wait to get your assignment and get you're getting full for your code. And as you get done with getting your code session, first thing what you need to do is to go up on your site screen. And as you can see here, you have 4, or in this case are 6 digit code sessions which you'll need to take up on your site selection to get to the full assignment. And after you get with all that stuff, simply after you got activated your Viber session and got your full session for your Viber and all that stuff, and just go on your right upper side, click on that tick site which is right here, go allow or deny as you want to take over all that stuff, and then you're ready.